Hey, what's up guys? Today I got a good news. I just bought my second gimbal. No, my third gimbal. Yes. I have the Ronin M and I also have the Zhiyun Weebill S. But today I got something new. Let's see. Whew. Yes, today I got the DJI RS2 Pro combo. The thing is, I use my Weebill S a lot, but it's a headache. You know, when I say it's a headache, I'm not saying it's a bad gimbal at all. I mean, it's a pretty good gimbal. But the thing is, when I say headache, it's basically it's a gimbal made for like small mirrorless camera or small camera, not like big camera like the Pocket 6K, 4K thing like that. You know what I mean? Some people do use it, don't get me wrong, okay? Some people do use it, but they have to use like counterweight, stuff like that. But for me, I think it's a headache. So I've been waiting like for almost a year, because I think the DJI RS2 came like last year, 2020, I think. I'm not sure, but I would check it out. And I didn't want to go for it yet. I was thinking between the Zhiyun Crane 3S, that's a lot of people talk about too, and the RS2. And I was like, why not? You know, I watch a lot of video about it, and I heard a lot of good reviews. That's what it basically pushed me to go get it. You know what I mean? The carbon fiber, thing like that, very light. I think it's different than the Crane 3S. Crane 3S is a little more bulky, stuff like that. But yeah. So let's open it now. Before I open it, I need a knife, right? I have a knife just for unboxing, guys, but I think it's in my car. But hey, let's open the box, alright? Let's open the box. So we're just gonna open the box, see what's inside. I don't like doing reviews, but it's just like just gonna open the box and see what's inside and play a little bit. You know? Let's go. This is really nice, you know, I'll be honest. It's really nice, DJI. The little case, wow. Let's continue. This is little tripod. That's good. That's perfect. That's nice. Little tripod. Let's put it on the side. Let's continue. Oh, that's the base plate. Okay. Okay. Smell good. It also have, I think this. Oh yeah, this one is a phone holder. If you wanna use your phone to see what you. And this is the battery. And I heard a lot of good reviews about this battery that Ronin RS2 have, because the old one, the Ronin S, you have to charge the whole thing, the gimbal, everything. So it wasn't detached. But this one you can remove it. And if you don't want to still use your gimbal, you can buy and like just one like that. I think I saw it on B&H for about 100 or something. I'm not sure, but something like that. Yeah, so yeah, that's a good one. And this is what I was talking about earlier. This is the Wave and Eye wireless video transmitter. So let's say if you wanna connect your phone and you want somebody to see what you're filming or anything like that, you can use this transmitter. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not, but it's a good job, DJI. Woo! This is it. This is the bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? All right, yes, wow. You know, it's the first time I have a gimbal like that. Expensive one, because I think I paid like 300 for my Zhiyun. Yes, but that one costs a lot of money. Yeah. And also, guys, I heard people say the original Ronin S, it was heavy, and I don't know, cause I didn't have one. I never used one. It's my first time using a Ronin, and I like this. It's feel strong. It's feel expensive. It is. And one thing that people, when I was reading about the reviews, people says that Ronin do this time was adding a lag from the access, but I used to, because like I said, I have the Weeble S. You basically have log for the 3 axis, so yeah. All right, guys, this is it. I'm gonna post some video about it, and probably talk about why do I like it or why I don't like it. I don't know yet, because I haven't used it yet. But so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like, and peace.